Hey, what's up, Metahero coin holder? What's going on this time, my friends? The Metahero coin holder last 24-hour chart is on the screen. You can see, my friend, and definitely it's going very good now. They will never hit the resistance line, as you can see here. They will never very badly phase down from resistance line. So that's really good coin, my friend, and definitely just in only for short time they were phase down. But don't worry, after that they will again hit the resistance line and completely get a profit. So at this time also they were phase down, but I hope they will hit the resistance line again and completely get a profit. All right, so that's mean, my friends, to Metahero coin condition is very good now, and the price will increasing. But this time you can see here in last 24 hours, this time you can see resistance only. I tell you now to they will hit the resistance line and again falls down. So therefore you can see here 1.09% the price will decrease now. But don't worry, I'm 100% sure they will recover it, and the lowest price is hit now the highest price. So therefore I hope the meta price will be increasing, and 0.5 USD dollar they will easily give you now at the end of month. Market cap you can see here 6 billion. More diluted market cap you can see here 1.09% decrease now. The volume you can see 46% decrease now. It's really bad news, my friend, but don't worry, my friend, I hope in upcoming time they will give you a profit. So if we check out, my friend, the last 1 month chart, so in last 1 month you can see, my friend, just only I'm going to show you. So they will completely on the profit, completely they will hit the resistance line and they will never fail us down. So I'm really happy to see this now, and congratulations to in upcoming time also, my friend, there is a chance to Metahero will give you a profit. So definitely when a holder are starting buying, when a holder are starting holding, then the price will be increasing, and when a price will increasing, so absolutely they will get a profit. Thanks for watching Metahero coin holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.